Guys, I have these two phones now. This is Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Black one is Mate 60 Pro. The prices of both is almost same. Oppo Find X7 Ultra is 70k in India while Mate 60 Pro price is 80k in India. So guys, here you can see left side is the Mate 60 Pro. Guys, both have 50 megapixel main camera. Now I click capture button. And here you can see Mate 60 Pro is slightly better than X7 Ultra. See the difference clearly. Oppo Find X7 Ultra is somehow blurry effect. For our satisfaction, let's do 10x zoom test. Because both have same 50 megapixel main camera, but why Oppo gives result like that blurry? So as you can see, the 10x zoom of Mate 60 Pro and Find X7 Ultra. Mate 60 Pro is somehow gives better results than Oppo Find X7 Ultra. See guys, both have different chipsets as Oppo Find X7 Ultra have Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, while Mate 60 Pro have Kirin 9000S chipset. If we compare, Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 is best than Kirin 9000S. So I think Oppo X7 Ultra is best. Here due to the plastic film, it's easier to scratch in Oppo X7 Ultra. Mate 60 Pro have tempered glass, so that's why no scratch. So guys, as you can see, as this phone have a plastic film, let's do the protection first. Okay, get the protection film of Oppo Find X7 Ultra. First remove the original soft film. The material of film is not so good. Now you can see Oppo Find X7 Ultra has a curved display. So let's do it protection on X7 Ultra. So it's done now, as you can see here. Now let's talk about the display first. So it has 6.8 inches AMOLED curved display with 120Hz refresh rate. As you can see, it's very quick display. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chipset, which is fast chipset. You can play PUBG games etc. at 90 FPS. And guys, Oppo X7 Ultra has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the screen, and it has quad camera setup. Each camera is 50 megapixels, and as you can see, leather design and designed by Oppo. So guys, X7 Ultra is somehow performs well. It has good price, good performance, and everything is just perfect in Oppo Find X7 Ultra then Mate 60 Pro. Mate 60 Pro price is twice of Oppo X7 Ultra. So according as per the prices, Oppo Find X7 Ultra is the best, I think, because it has best performance, best CPU, best gaming, and best battery life as well. So I think you should go for the Oppo X7 Ultra instead of going to the Mate 60 Pro. So guys, this is all for now. If you have any query, any question related, you can ask in the comment section.